So what do you do with all these scraps of paper that you have after projects? Today I'm going to show you something perfect. So these are little envelopes for little gifts. So for example, in this one, go ahead and unwrap it, which is such a nice way to present a gift. Look how pretty is that? It's just made with 4 circles that are intertwined, and that's all there is to it. So let's get started. Oh, I do like those earrings though. Okay. You can use any kind of paper you'd like. I thought for today it might be pretty to use this paper and then maybe an old map. You could use 4 different types of paper, 2, all the same. It's really up to you what you want to do with this project and depending on what your leftovers are. So I have this leftover map from a trip I took. And all you're going to do is go ahead and make 4 circles. So I'm going to do 2 of the map, I decided. And then I am going to cut out, I thought this would look really fun with the map. And then 2 of these. This is just from an old masking tape. You could use the bottom of a cup, a compass, whatever you have to make circles. Once you have your 4, go ahead and you're going to take your 4 and fold them in half. Now, if your paper is plain on one side, you're going to want the design part on the outside so that that's on the top part of the gift. So like that. So once you have them all folded, and like this, I don't really like this much, as much, so I'm going to put the part I like on this part. And then you're going to go ahead and start stacking your paper. So you're going to have, this one goes under, so that means this one is going to go over, again with this. I'm going to fold it in the opposite direction. And then this one is going to go under. It's almost like a weaving kind of idea. And then this one goes on top. So then you can go ahead and see if you like your design. I think that's really fun. So that's going to be the top part. Now on the bottom, so this is the part the person will see. On the bottom, here's my bottom. And then you're going to go ahead and take white glue or tape strips, whatever you have. Make sure you have it all lined up exactly how you want it. And then you're going to place some glue on all of your edges. Some here and a little bit here. And then you can see this will be the inside where you put your gift. If you want to use a little bit of tissue paper, totally up to you. So you're going to put your gift inside, and then you can decide, again, make sure you put it back, and then you can go ahead and add whatever kind of ribbon you'd like. So I'm thinking for this one, I'm going to use just a little bit of blue, so like that. And then you can also add some beads if you'd like onto the ribbon, just to add a little extra flair. So here's my ribbon. And then if you want to thread whatever type of bead you want onto it, you can also, sometimes it's hard to get the ribbon through, so if you have a paper clip, you can kind of shove that in with that. That makes it a lot easier. So I happen to have a quilling tool, so I'm just going to use that to shove it through. Just something to help you get it that through. And then just go ahead and tie that however you want. I'm just going to tie it in a cute little knot. You can go ahead and trim your ribbon to whatever length you'd like. And there you have it. A beautiful way to upcycle all those scraps of paper you have.